Children, welcome to the third part of the second lesson. This is the aswat, means sounds. Avalan means first. Istama ililibara, listen to the passage. Waiktab, and write. Alif or ba. Fil murabba, in the box. Write alif or ba in the box. Hal arbatu umra qadima, is your lorry or car is old. Hal means does or is. Arba, your lorry or car. Umra means its age. Qadima means old. Okay, so generally we say, is your car old? But in Arabic we like this, is your car's age is old, or we will say, is your lorry old? Hal ulbatu umra qadima, is, here see arba, this is the ulba. Ulba means this is the packet or box. Is your box or packet old? Okay. Umra, that's why I wrote here also, here also, here also. Umra we says to the age. Umar means age. Akala al-itfal al-isra fil matam. Children, akala al-itfal al-isra, children of the family ate in the restaurant. Children of the family or family's children ate in the restaurant. Isra means family. Al-isra, the family. Makas al-itfal isra fil malab, children of the family or family's children stayed or remained in the playground. Makas means remain or stayed. Saniyan, second, istama wa'ad al-ibara al-sabiqa, listen and prepare the previous phrase. Istama means listen. Ad means complete. Sabqa, previous. Third, salisan, iqra, read, al-ibarat, the passage, bisawt masmu'a, okay, hearable sound. So we will say loud voice. If we will translate, we will say loud voice. Kalam, speak. Masal ad-dar, turn by turn. Okay, masal ad-dar, turn by turn. Amlat al-isra haflan lil asafir, family worked in the ceremony or in the program for the birds. Okay, haflan means program or the ceremony. Lil asafir, lam it is using means for. Lil asafir, for the birds or for the sparrows. Maza qalat alum li abnaha walid, li abnaha, to her son. Okay, to her son or with her son. What said mom to her son Walid? Maza qalat alum li abnuha li abnatuha Bisma. What said mother to her daughter Bisma? Just you have to answer it. Okay, if you will answer, so it will be nice. You can now you understand the chapter very well. Just check the details and answer it. Maza qala Walid, what said the Walid? Qal means said. Maza qalat Bisma, what said the Bisma? See, there are the two things. If you will find the difference, there is qala because of the Walid. There is qalat ta. This is the ta. Ta is the for girl. Masla Dwar, Anta wa Itnan min al-Tamanis. You play this role with one. Okay, Anta wa Itnan min Talamis, and two from the student. Or you present this role or you play this role with two from the students. Now these are the adda means steps or numbers, or this adad we says to the requirement or tools. Ibra needle, khet thread, full Sudani beans, qama wheat, jozul hind coconut, tabak plate or dish, aw or hauz sagir small tub, ma water, khubuz bread. Here we have to use these all the words. Okay. Kalmat musaida helping words. Irbat tie, jozul hind coconut, khit thread, fara shajra, idkhal enter, full Sudani, ibra same thing this coming now, all these things. Sor fence, this is the za means keep or place, aksar break or kasar, bread qatal khubus bread, shabak window. Now here just first student, second student, third student, one student play role as a mother, and then second as a Walid, and Bisma as a Bisma third. So you play and just use these things. Just Musaida this irbat, Haza Jozul Hind or Qatal Jozul Hind, Fil Faral Shajr or Faral Shabak. Faral this sore as it was there. So just you see, and you can make by yourself very easily now. Okay. So this is the page number 15. Hal means solve, tadribat exercise, and that's the chapter 2. Tabir musawwir, artistic idea, or this artistic idea, is it nice? Shafhi, oral or verbal. Unzur ilal sur, look at the picture. Wajab, anal aslaha, an answer about the questions or for the questions. Ghurab, grow. Ibraq, jug. Hasa, stones. See all these pictures. Now we will read this. Limaza yakhfu al-ghurab fawqal ibraq. Why the crow is sitting over the jug? Okay. Limaza yakhfu al-ghurab fawqal ibraq. Yakhfu al-ghurab fawqal ibraq lil yashrab al-ma'i. Okay. Or only just instead of saying this, short answer is li yashrab al-ma, for drinking the water. Okay. Hal yashrab al-ghurab min al-ibraq, does the crow drink water from the jug? La. Short answer only la. Or if you want to say la yashrab al-ghurab min al-ibraq. Kayf yamsak al-ghurab hisa, how hold the crow stones? Bi minqaraha or bi minqarah means with his beak. This is the only short answer, or you can say yamsak al-ghurab al-hasa bi minqaraha. Aina yaza al-ghurab al-hasa, where putting or keeping the crow stones, the crow stones. Yaza al-ghurab al-hasa fil ibraq, or you can say just short answer fil ibraq only. Hal ma qaribun min al-minqarihi alan, is the water or does the water near from his beak now? Full answer you say al-ma qaribun min minqariha alan. Naam, only you can say naam or naam alma qarib min milqa raha. Now the water is from his beak. Maza tafal al-ghurab. What did the crow? What al-ghurab, or what is doing the crow? Al-ghurab yajlasu fawqa al-ibraq. The crow sitting over the jug. Ajab. Answer. Ma ismu haza dukan. What is the name of the shop? Ismu haza dukan al-tayur wal haywanat. Or only just is, instead of saying full, al-tayur wal haywanat. Okay. Name of the shop is birds and the animals. Maza tashahid fihi. What do you see in it? Ashahid, I see samak al-tayur wal haywanat. Fish wa birds wa animals. Aina yawmul samak. Where floating the fishes? Yawmul samak fil hawz. The fishes are floating in the hawz or in the tub. Limaza la tatir bibqa. Why the parrot not flying? La tatir, not flying. Tatir means it is not flying. Limaza, why? Bibqa, parrot. Suggest bibqa fil qafas. Parrot is in the cage. See, where is the parrot? Just here. Maza tuhibbu min tayur. What do you like from the birds? Ahibbu min tayur. Whatever you like. Al bibgha or also whatever is this, you can say. Maza tuhibbu min al haywanat. What do you like from the animals? Haywanat means animals. Ahibbu min al haywanat al qit. I like from the animals the cat. Limaza yashtari al nas al qit. Why the people buy the cats? Liyaba al lifa. Okay. लियाना अल यफ़ा. इसका इसम हैवानात कबीर मिसल क़ित. Tell the name of the big animal like the cat. Misal means like. What is same like cat? It is the big animal. Al asad. इसका इसम हैवान मिसल कलब यस्कुन फिल ग़ाबा. Tell the name or describe the name of animal like dog lives in the forest. What is like dog? Al-zaib means wolf. Okay. Maza tashtari min al-haza al-mahal. What do you buy from this mahal? Ashtari min al-haza al-mahal al-qit wa kalb. Wal kalb. I buy from this shop or from this store the cat and the dog. So this is the page number 16. Okay. Just try to understand. Don't make as a copy and paste. Okay. Everything I am describing, all the meanings, or if you want any doubt, you can call me anytime. 050-791-2443. Now, tasliha, entertainment, or risala asariya. Sariya, as I told before, means hidden. Risala means message, hidden message. Awwal and first, ittaba al-ism wa iqra or risala. Write the names, their names, and read the message. See, now hal, ha, lam, hal, ta, ra, ya, dal. Hal turid. Al and swat fe Wawra, asfur. Al, alif lam al. Alif mim ra. Ahmar. Do you like the red? Turid al asfur al ahmad. Do you want red birds? Iktib risala al satr. Write the message on the line. Hal already he wrote here. Tasliha, again entertainment. Iqra ibarat, read the passage. Wa iktab al haruf naqisa fil kalmat, and write the missing or short letters in the word. Wa sil means and connect, banul kalma and surah, and make connection or connect the between the word and the picture. So again you see, same in previous exercise we did, and same here we will do. Rajulun tawil wa zakham jiddan. Tall man and very fat. Zakham means very huge or very much. Rajulun tawil, tall man, and zakham, and very huge or very fat. Huge means, zakham means huge. Jiddan, very much. So what is this? First exercise he is giving imlaq. Okay. Now nashrubu minha alma muslaj, we drink from that refrigerated or cold or ice water, we says. So what is this? This is the as-salaja. This is the we will write here. I wrote here as-salaja. Lam alif, they are writing everywhere. Alif, lam, sa, lam alif, jim ha, as-salaja, at-talaja we can say. So by the lines I have connect also to understand you, so easily you can understand, because in sequence he is not giving the sentences. Now this tajdiha al maida al tam, we find it at the dining table. Maida means table, at-tam food, at the or food table or dining table. What is that? Imlaq, malaika. Okay, this is the malaiq. Malaka is the singular, malaiq is the plural. So mim lam hamza qaf, mim lam alif hamza qaf, malaiq. Yalbisuha nas, feel safe. Watasha, people wear it in the summer and the winter. What they wear? See, al badla or coat. Yaskun. So this is Yaskun al Qarya wa Yamal fil Haqal. He lives in the village and works in the field. Hafal means field. Yaskun, he lives. Yamal, he works. Qarya, village. He works in the field. So what is fallaha? Fallaha. Okay? Fallaha. So this is our third lesson. Now is finished. This is the Sabatash, page number 17.